Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can fix your problem. So if just Cellular data not working on your iPhone, so how you can also fix it. So for fixing it, you just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find here Cellular data. Just try to turn off, wait a second, and just turn on again. So another thing you can try to turn on airplane mode, wait a second, and just turn it off. So after, you can try to go to the general. In the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a second, and just power your phone again. So just simply restore your phone. And if it doesn't help you, you can try to turn on airplane mode, wait a second, and just turn it off. So after, and the latest option you can try to update your phone. So just go to the general. In the general, just open software update, and if you see here available updates, just tap on download and install and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your iPhone. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.